Welcome to the HR Insider Special Report on Employee Engagement Basics. This video focuses on understanding attrition and creating effective retention strategies. We call it the invisible leak. Employees rarely quit suddenly. They disconnect first and then resign. We will explore how to engage, retain, and grow your talent. Employee engagement is the emotional connection, motivation, and commitment employees feel towards their work. Engaged employees take ownership and stay longer, while disengaged employees do minimum work and look elsewhere. Globally, there is an engagement gap. U.S. engagement is 33%, compared to a global average of 21% and Western Europe at 10%. Disengagement costs U.S. companies an estimated $450 to $550 billion each year in lost productivity. Reason 1 for attrition is poor management. Poor leadership breaks trust and is the #1 driver of turnover. Micromanagement stifles autonomy and creativity, and a lack of clarity leads to misalignment. Reason 2 is no growth. Career stagnation causes employees to quit when they don't see a future. A lack of learning and unclear promotion paths drive talent to competitors. Growth opportunities account for almost 43% of retention success. Reason 3 is lack of recognition, creating a motivation gap. Employees who feel undervalued disengage first. Recognition is the fuel that keeps engagement high. This includes appreciation for effort, regular feedback, and visible contributions. Reason 4 is burnout, caused by work-life imbalance and unsustainable workloads. Long hours lead to physical and mental exhaustion, making burnout a leading cause of voluntary resignations. Flexible arrangements can reduce attrition by up to 15%. Reason 5 is compensation. Unfair pay feels disrespectful when below market rate. Pay gaps between peers cause internal equity friction and dissatisfaction, a primary reason for job searches. Regularly benchmark salaries to stay competitive. Reason 6 is toxic culture. Office politics destroy collaboration, and a poor environment pushes high performers out first. Psychological safety is crucial for retention. A toxic culture is the hardest and most expensive problem to fix. There are early signs employees will quit. The process moves from disconnect and quiet silence to a drop in performance, culminating in resignation. Notice and act earlier before the final step occurs. Key takeaways emphasize that employees leave managers, not companies. Engagement reduces attrition and improves productivity. The main point is to fix engagement before resignation happens, as early action matters. Thank you for watching this video. Engagement is a continuous journey, not a one-time survey. You can find more resources and contact information here.